Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show a preview when hovering your mouse pointer or cursor over a link in Facebook. So if you want to see more information about a link without clicking on it, this feature can definitely have its use. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Facebook and select your profile icon at the top right. Just go ahead and left click on that and select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Settings and Privacy, select the Settings button. On the left side now, you want to go underneath Preferences and select where it says Accessibility. Underneath where it says Accessibility, you want to locate Keyboard and Assistive Technology Settings. Select the View button. Show Previews of Links. Select the Show Preview when hovering pointer over link. Just go ahead and left click on that. Make sure that is selected there. And you can also select Show Preview after clicking if you'd rather do it like that, which would be, I believe, the default option there. So again, show preview of links is the first option, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.